In this video, you will see how I designed this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Watch till the end, and if you want the editable file, the link is in the description below. So let's get started. Start with a blank slide. First, go to Shape, select Rectangle and draw a perfect sphere. Press Ctrl Shift to duplicate it twice so you have 3 squares. Select all 3, press Ctrl Shift to duplicate again and arrange them neatly to form a grid. Now, insert another rectangle, drag it to cover the whole design and send to back. Select everything, go to Merge Shape, select Combine. Now, remove the outline and set the shape fill to black. Go to Shape Effect, Shadow, select Inner Shadow. Change the shadow color to white for a glowing look. Next, insert a picture from your device. Align it to the left and align top. And send to back so it sits behind the shape. Now, go to Animation, Motion Path, choose Line. Under Effect option, choose from right. Adjust the red arrow to control the movement distance. In Effect option, check Auto Reverse. In Timing, set the duration to 3 seconds low. Repeat until end of slide. Finally, add your title. Add 3 more text boxes with short descriptive lines. Now, click on Slideshow and you will see the elegant animated design in action. And that's it. You have just created a professional animated slide in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.